planes. This is a good game to get to know each other. So we need a piece of paper and we need a pen. So, first of all, we're going to write our favourite animal. So, class, write your favourite animal. Okay. Next, we're going to write our favourite food. Okay. After that, we are going to write our favourite pancake topping. Okay, class, now it's time to fold it into a plane. Hold up your plane and throw it. Make sure not to take your own plane. Okay. So, Amber.
Their favourite animal is a dog. They like cheese and their favourite topping is syrup. I think it's Tyler's.
Yes, well done.